Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Hey guys, how's it going? Nice down here. I know it's slightly light scrapping. Because I've got one barrel there. Just got fetch one of my other barrels. From a yard where I started selling some of my barrels because the yard's in full. What I did, I went for a walk and I was just going through a golf course and I out in bush. And I guess I got it on video. And I spotted that in the edge. So it's a S bullet. Yeah. Then I fetched this pole. I went for a walk. It does come in two. It were in two and it were in one of the plastic. Wait, no, it would come in. So then I've just put them both together. One of them, one of them slides out, that's it. It comes out. Then I went past someone's house where I stored my barrels. And they had this microwave slice of on top. And this. So I had it. It did have the bowl what was inside on him. And the lid. But I took that out. And I was going to use the bowl what goes inside and lid. And put some stuff in it, but I couldn't remember what I was going to use it for. Technically, I could have got him with just like any drink for I leave outside. I could have put it in that, but no. Yeah. So that is aluminium. This, I never shipped one of these before. I had quite a few of these before. I can't say that I have collected one of these before on video, but I have collected some of these before. I could have used that, took the bowl with me and lid and do a little camping thing outside, but I couldn't. Yeah, so if I put something inside on it and it bowl cracked, I know it's good to heat stuff up, but I didn't know if it was any good for fire, so I didn't bother. Put some felt on instead. Because that bar of what goes to the top of the door just come off. Yeah. So we're not scrapping. I will do a little sort of video in the morning and I'll show you properly. But I've just done this slightly, not dark, but it is like this way. So I'm going to see if there's any more scrap. And yeah. I got one of my wheelbarrows that we've been on with some shit in it. And one bloke said he was going to have that off me. When he said he's ready, I'll come down and take it. So I'll make a little pathway in a minute. If you see that now, I were going to attempt to make something out of the wood. And I didn't get the clip when I was doing it. I lost the clip. I must have recorded it, turned the camera off, but it mustn't. But it somehow turned the camera back on, and it come off. So I don't know what's gone off. If it didn't save it when you turn it off, because normally when I turn my phone off when I'm recording, I said I did 100 videos, 90 videos stays on my phone, 10 videos are gone. So it didn't save properly. Yeah. Yeah. Right guys, see you in a second. Yeah, skip here. Not bad. Yeah, skip here so there's some scrap here. Enough. 2 forks, pin lid. I'll get it on the daylight video. See you in a second. Yeah, so this is what I fetched. Curtain rail, microwave oven, obs, there, there, and then. Those 2 wheels, and Rose Over Walk 10th anniversary 1991 MS Rose Castle. I love Rose Castle. Been there a load of times. So if we can get you this bed. Yeah. And this battery, I had that for quite some time. I couldn't remember where I got it from. Because I remember watching one of our other videos and I had that near my bins. Yeah. And I've been driving it up. So it might help someone. And there's decent repairs on that bike already. Yeah. Yeah. GoPro band. Yeah. Alright guys, see you soon. Oh yeah, you know what? Also, I found that in scrap. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you later.